Assalamu alaikum. If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Moreover, for appreciation, like our video and share it with your friends. You can also comment below giving your suggestions. Now let's start today's video. In this video, we are going to learn rules for the use of adjectives for comparison. Then is generally placed after the second degree adjective in a sentence while comparing two things, persons, etc. Akbar is wiser than Hassan, who says human life here is cheaper than gold. Who is more honest than this student in the gathering? Note the use of the. She is the wiser of the two. When comparison of two implies selection. In the case of adjectives ending in or year, like junior, senior, inferior, superior, prior, earlier than or before this, etc., we use to instead of than. He is junior to you in service. This book is superior to the other books on the subject. Did Sabrina join college prior to you? The discussions anterior to earlier than the singing of the contract, the construction of the dam posterior to after the sanction of the funds. The is generally placed before the third degree adjective. China has the highest rate of economic growth in the world. Razia is the ablest of all the students of her class. It is the most difficult national problem. Also note, sometimes we do place the indefinite article a or an only in British English before a third degree adjective when immediate comparison is not needed. I saw a most beautiful painting that is a very beautiful painting in the picture gallery. Yours is a most very suitable reply. An adjective may be placed before a noun or after a noun or pronoun. We enjoyed the excellent tunes in the music show. The tunes we enjoyed in the music show were excellent. Making comparative or superlative degrees regular adjectives. Many short adjectives in the first degree have er and est after them to become second and third degree adjectives. Positive, comparative, and superlative degrees of adjectives. Able, abler, ablest. Brave, braver, bravest. Early, earlier, earliest. Easy, easier, easiest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Few, fewer, fewest. Happy, happier, happiest. Healthy, healthier, healthiest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Late, later, latest. Merry, happy. Merrier, merriest. Old, older, oldest. Quiet, quieter, quietest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. True, truer, truest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Irregular adjectives. When the later two degrees are not formed by adding er, est, or more, most. Positive, comparative, superlative. Bad, ill, worse, worst. Fair, feather, further, featherest, furtherest. For, former, foremost, first. Good, well, better, best. In, inner, inmost, innermost. Late, later, later, latest, last. Little, less, lesser, least. Many more, most. Much more, most. Old, older, elder, oldest, elderest. Out, outer, utmost, uttermost. Up, upper, uppermost. There are a good many long regular adjectives whose second and third degree can be formed by using more and most. Backward, more backward, most backward. Convenient, more convenient, most convenient. Decent, more decent, most decent. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Efficient, more efficient, most efficient. Extensive, more extensive, most extensive. Honest, more honest, most honest. Marvelous, more marvelous, most marvelous. Useless, more useless, most useless. Wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. The above adjectives can also have the comparative and superlative degrees in the negative way. Able, less able, least able. Clever, less clever, least clever. Convenient, less convenient, least convenient. Destructive, less destructive, least destructive. Efficient, less efficient, least efficient. Favorable, less favorable, least favorable. Healthful, less healthful, least helpful. Kind, less kind, least kind. Noisy, less noisy, least noisy. Poisonous, less poisonous, least poisonous. Professional, less professional, least professional. Punctual, less punctual, least punctual. Regular, less regular, least regular. Wonderful, less wonderful, least wonderful.